Let's add checkbox in Adobe Acrobat. After opening the PDF in Adobe Acrobat, go to Tools. Here you have to click on Prepare Form. Now here you find this checkbox. Just click here and then draw a checkbox according to your requirements. And here you can change your checkbox name. Now click on All Properties. Here select General and here you can change your checkbox name. You can add here a tooltip text. Then go to Appearance. Here you can select a border color for your checkbox. You can also select your checkbox line thickness. And here fill color, I'm unchecking or I'm just disabling fill color. And then going to position. Here you can change your checkbox position, then go to options. Here checkbox style, make sure to select your check and export value. You can write anything here. I'm just typing yes and then close this. Let's click on preview and here as you can see I've successfully added a checkbox.